Alright guys, so it's done generating, so we're gonna take a look at here. I'm gonna make it full screen.
Mercy setting free. God, you know my weakness. You know how I fall. But every time I stumble, stories of forgiveness. You know my weakness. Stories of forgiveness. Mercy setting free.
So it looks pretty good quality. Right, let's take a look at another one. It's 720p. I'm gonna make it bigger. So the quality is pretty good. I think if you can use 720p, it's pretty good. And I generate one with 720p as well. And
mercy setting free. God, you know my weakness. You know how I fall. But every time I stumble, stories of forgiveness.
So it looks pretty good. This one looks like it's 1080p, yeah.
Mercy setting free. God, you know my weakness. You know how I fall. But every time I stumble.
So it looks like 1080p this one because I upscale the image. So I suggest you upscale the image before you use 720p. And if it's a really close up, it's gonna make the image way clearer. So you're gonna save on credits.
Mercy setting free. God, you know my weakness.
This is 1080p, 48 frames per second.
Stories of forgiveness. Mercy setting free. God, you know my weakness. You know how I fall. But every time I stumble.
So this one is high quality, but I think the face expression is not that realistic. You can also build your own avatar. So 720p took 4 minutes for 15 seconds, 8 minutes for 15 seconds. This one, this is 4 minutes, 1080p.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Sorry guys, I had to remove the song because it's copyright, but it feels like the lip sync is kind of plain. The emotion is not there. Let me show you a few examples with Kling AI Avatar lip sync singing song.
I miss you.
So for this one is pretty good, but for the other images that I noticed, the expression is not there and emotion is not there. And like this one is playing the guitar, but it's not as much.
I miss you.
So she's moving a little bit, but I think the expression is not there. You should have 3 different emotions, like most expressive, medium expressive, and least expressive to choose from. He took 8 minutes. So avatar library. So if you go to avatar library right here, just click on that. It's going to show you different avatar that you can use that's already built in Kling AI Avatar. And
I'm just setting my base with some
makeup.
fave loose powder. See that? Smooth, soft, and totally ready to slay. What's your go-to powder?
Sharing my favorite lip
For
gloss I wear
UGC
to
Ad.
work. It's perfect for a natural, everyday look. Hope you love it.
So the voice is kind of not that great. If you
Here's
can
today's
use
fit check. Ready to hit the
11
gym.
labs that are more
Here's today's
natural or
fit
like
check.
a different
Ready to
model
hit the
voice.
gym.
And then
Here's
upload it to
today's fit
Kling
check.
AI to
Ready
do
to hit the
avatar
gym.
talking.
Keep your drinks cold and your style on point. Hydrate smarter, train harder.
I'm Marina. Here on my channel, I share fun, easy hacks to level up your language skills. From quick vocab tricks to real-life speaking.
Hi, welcome to, welcome to, McDonald's.
Hi, I'm your barista today.
Would you like
Working
a hot
baby.
chocolate or a tiny coffee? Oh, and maybe a
Welcome to my
2D
stage.
cartoon.
Tonight we're gonna dance, laugh, and have the best time together.
Yo, it's
Talking
Charlie.
head.
Just got back from Bali, and oh wow.
Hey,
You can do a
welcome back
podcast.
to City Beat FM with me, Matt Sparks. Quick question: What?
You can do vlog style as well. So
Just landed in NYC
just
for
upload your
Fashion Week.
image
I'm about to
and
head
make it
into my
talk.
first casting. Super excited. See you right after the audition. Just landed in NYC.
Meow. Hey humans, it's
You can
me,
even do
Fuzzy
pets.
Wuzzy Cathy. Follow me.
Pets
I'm gonna peek
talking
and sneak
video.
and maybe find some treats.
Good morning. It's June. Today I'm keeping.
Alright guys,
Makeup.
you gotta see this. My top pick today is this blush. It's super easy.
Every product, every project, every idea
For
is
corporate
guided
training.
by vision.
Hi. Thanks for
Customer
calling.
service.
This is Sophie. How can I help you today? Hi. Lightweight, silky, and
Commercial
buildable.
ad.
It instantly brightens your skin while keeping it flawless all day.
Hi, I'm Nora, working in the lab. I mix chemicals, test hypotheses.
So her body doesn't move much.
host Max on Beatline FM.
If you do something and it turns out pretty good, then you...
Hello, it's Monday,
Corporate training.
the 30th of August. Welcome to today's morning news. I'm Faye.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Daniel, and I'm excited to share what our team's been building this past year.
We empower people to connect, share, and build. Every idea matters, and with the right support, ideas grow into something bigger. Great question.
So you can do different kind of
Great question.
use.
This ties into Piaget's theory. Kids go through stages of thinking, like sensory.
I'm on my way to a coffee house to meet a friend. Love this sunny, clear vibe in Tokyo today. Perfect day for a little stroll. I'm on my way.
So I like how it's shaking because
Hi,
eating
hi.
stand.
I feel like a little marshmallow floating in this
It's
water.
a phone.
Do you want to join me?
2D character. 3D. Alright, so this is everything, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Alright guys, I'm excited to show you how Kling Avatar AI right now is available. So this actually allows you to upload an avatar image and actually have a speech or singing audio, and it's gonna like lip sync like realistically in 1080p and 48 frames per second smooth, which is a big plus over the other competitor. So let's try this out and see how it looks like. So as you can see, this is the advertisement that they were doing, posting on Twitter and everywhere on YouTube. And actually it's going to allow you to animate even animals and different character, and they can actually sing. So let's try this. So more details, you can read the reviews, and actually if you have it available, I suggest if you want to unlock this, you want to do actually have a lip sync video and do this, and it's gonna unlock it for you. So this is the way for you to get the avatar unlocked for your profile. So all you do is you upload a video and then audio for lip sync, generate it, and then it's gonna be available in a little bit when you go back to the lip sync. And this is a new icon. So actually, as you can see, it says lip sync valid avatar, and I got it. So this is actually earlier like a lip sync. Now it's avatar is called, and we're gonna do this. So you can build your own avatar right here. You can load in the image and speech, but they also have this available right here on the right side. If you want to use their avatar, you can generate easily an avatar from your own favorite image model, and you can select from library or generate your own avatar. So you can, if you don't have an avatar, you can generate your own. You can choose from avatar library and do a speech, and you can do professional. It's gonna cost more. You can do standard 720p is 24 frames per second. Professional is actually better quality and superior quality. So I'm gonna choose that just to show you guys how good this is.
Yo.
And you can have an avatar right here. you know, talking or like demoing, doing UGC content, and this is great. So you can also do lip sync. So you can build avatar right here, or you can do lip sync. I already created some lip sync right here, but using the old lip sync, it's actually you need to upload a video in order to do the lip sync. But right now, what's good is that you don't need to do a video. You can just upload image. So I'm gonna upload an image, and then for example, this one I show you. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna upload an image right here. So let's say, oh, I'm gonna build avatar. So it doesn't allow you to upload an image. You need to build avatar first. So just go to build avatar right here. Just click right here to build your own avatar, and you can actually. I'm gonna compare this with another lip sync model later on, and you can click on this. That's the image that I want to lip sync. So don't go to lip sync, go to build avatar. Just upload your image here, and then while I'm waiting, I'm gonna upload. So it's analyzing the image, and then once it's uploaded, just go to audio, or you can just choose a voice right here from the many different voice that you have: boy, female, girl, young man, young woman, kid, middle age, old. So they have many voice. If you do speech with your avatar right here, I'm gonna show you right here. You can adjust the speech rate right here. The emotion. So emotion is not available with this voice. You can choose a different voice. And this is the professional mode, which is the better quality, richer details, superior quality. Or if you wanna just standard, you can choose to do that as well. I'm gonna do with a professional one. I'm gonna upload an audio because I want her to sing, and I'm gonna sing on a song. I have a song that I generated, so it can only cannot exceed 60 seconds. So what you can do is use this. This is 17 seconds. So after I uploaded a recording, which is my song right here, make sure it's under 60 seconds. It's gonna actually create the prompt, avatar prompt automatically. So smiling brightly, singing passionately into the microphone. The character executes confidence and joy, captivating the audience with her performance. So I didn't write that. You can actually change what you want her to do instead of doing these actions. And you can actually, have the AI write for you. And we're gonna generate this. That's gonna cost us 120 credits with 15 seconds. Yeah. So if you do standard 720p plus 24 FPS, it's only 60. So that's half the cost. If you want, I can show you the difference in. So one is 1080p and one is 720p. I'm going to generate two of the same thing just to show you the difference. So let's generate with 120p. So task generation is in process. It says estimated wait time 13 minutes. So while we're waiting, it's generating 11 more minutes to be done. So we're going to generate another character right here. I'm going to select choose a different character. As you use OpenArt, it's going to have different models right here. You can have Flux Context Pro, which is good at modifying the existing image. Nano Banana, and then you can upscale it. Seed Dream, which is the same as Nano Banana, but I find Seed Dream 4.0 is using like Chinese models training data. So we're gonna use a different model right here. Let's say this one, and we're gonna download this. So we're gonna upscale this 2 times to make it more high quality. Right, so it already upscaled. So after you scale, you can download as PNG, which is the higher quality. So that's 17.6 megabits, which is pretty high quality. Sometimes I don't like to upscale the face because it's gonna make some grainy things on the face, more like texture. So I downloaded. We're gonna use the avatar, 14 seconds. So I uploaded a new song, and we're gonna generate. And one, you can also choose different avatar if you don't have one, or you can generate one by clicking the AI image, do female or male, children, youth, elderly, skin tones, and describe the character, and then do the format. And it's going to cost you 4 credits to do this, to generate the image avatar if you don't have one. I suggest you signing up with my link right here for OpenArt, so you can have access to the different image model right here: Flux Context Pro, Nano Banana, Seedream 4.0, Flux Dev, Flux Pro, Flux Context Max. Those are really powerful model. You can have ideogram, QN, ChatGPT, Image 1 as well. And you can train your own model as well. And you can have video generation. So these are good. And you have Kling video generation, VO, Hailuo, Runway, Pixaverse, Pika, Hunyuan, and so forth, so on. We do 1, 2.2. Yeah. So with this, it's only like $12 a month, and you can have access to all this, which is great if you want to generate and modify. I find this is really good. So let's go back to the library. When I close this, this is 6 minutes left and 3 minutes left right here. So to access the AI avatar on Kling is you go to the app.kling.com, click in app.klingai.com, then go to all tools right here, and you want to go to avatar. So if it doesn't show up, try to create an avatar lip sync using video, and it might show up right here. Just click on that, and then go to build avatar, not lip sync. Lip sync is for video with an audio, but we don't have a video. So just do build avatar and click and drop your image avatar, which is an image of a model or like a pet or like something, a character. And you can have it speak and upload an audio or like a song that she's singing, that he's singing, or and so it's gonna generate this. So as you can see, there's different avatar library.